Hey there, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me again. Now, remember last week I told you that I would be posting the second home, right? This is the Hancock model, the second home, the larger home in Potomac Overlook down at the National Harbor. Well, I have that for you today. So today you're going to see that model, and when I tell you, like I said last week, it is stunning. It feels like a huge single family home. So I think you're going to really love this model. And then the views, you can see the Potomac, the water views, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Now, and I will say that it really depends on what lot you get, right? Or what home you purchase. This is an in-unit home, right? So you can see the Potomac at an angle, right? But whatever home you get, these are 4-level homes. So the rooftop terrace, no matter where you are, the views are going to be great. And oh my gosh, if you see them at night, absolutely gorgeous. So in this video, again, you know, I did this a few months ago. I actually went down to the MGM Grand. Many of you that live here, you already know about the MGM Grand, right? You go down there and all the stuff. But this is for people who are out of state. You may not know anything about the MGM Grand here in National Harbor, Maryland, or Oxon Hill, Maryland. Also the Gaylord and all the things that the National Harbor offers. So I kind of walked through a little bit to let you see some of the upscale restaurants and stores, and just to let you know how close you are to everything, to entertainment, to the theater, to shopping, and all the things, right? So I did that first, and then I'm going to move into the tour of the home. But let me know if you're interested, okay? Because I would love to get you down to the harbor, to get you in there, to have a private showing, so that if you want one of these lots or one of these homes already built, definitely we got to get in there so that we can get you your home. Let me know your thoughts. I am here to help you. Talk soon. So guys, I am down at the MGM Grand. I just wanted to stop by. We are only minutes away from Potomac Overlook. The properties that we saw in, you are literally close to everything if you did not know. So the MGM Grand, the Gaylord, Tanger Outlets, all of the things are right here in Oxon Hill, Maryland, the National Harbor. And Potomac Overlook, it's literally back that way, about 5 minutes away. So right here in the vicinity. Wanted you to take a look at that. Check out this primary bedroom. Look at the closet. Oh my. So much space. I love the size of this room, the elegance of the room. I love a bedroom with a chandelier. It just does something. It adds that touch of elegance. This bathroom is everything. Dual vanities, but I love how they have them on opposite sides. Look at that soaking tub. A complete wet room. Somebody say, Calgon, take me away. Absolutely stunning. So we're heading up to the 4th level. Check this out. We have a wet bar. Oh my God, look at that rooftop deck, but we won't talk about that yet. There is another bathroom up here. 3-piece, really nice. But check out this bedroom. The windows. Keep in mind, this is not the primary. However, it could be someone's primary. Look at those windows and the view. Oh my goodness. Can you see yourself living here? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So much space. If you have a family member that, that stays with you, this could actually be one level to a family member, or it could be actually your main level. You could have your primary, and this is all yours. Everyone else is downstairs. Look at this. This rooftop terrace is something else. Views for days. Can you see yourself here? I know I can. Amazing. Remember, it's not too late. Let's get you in this luxurious community in this prime location. Contact me.